Before we get started, a little disclaimer, the sun is not cooperating today. You're going to see it go in and out during this video, so just be patient and listen to the information instead of worrying so much about the visual. Hey designers, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the heated eyelash curler, so you're going to want to stick around. Welcome back, you guys, and a huge welcome to those of you that may be new here to DeeVine DeeZine. Product reviews are something that I do quite often around here, so if you like taking a look at different kind of products to see if they're going to work before you go out and spend the money, then this might be a place that you want to live for a while. Hopefully you'll consider clicking that subscribe button and becoming part of our designer family. Today it's all about the heated eyelash curler. I know it's all the craze right now, and we want to find out together if it really works. So let's get right on into it. I'm sure you guys have heard all about the craze of heating up your eyelash curler before you put it on your eyes. And you've probably seen those videos where those girls take their blow dryer and they put it to the eyelash curler before putting it to the eye. And I have to tell you, I've always been a little bit leery about that because those eyelash curlers can heat up very quickly, and I haven't been wanting to burn the eyeballs. You know what I mean? So that little method, I've been hesitant to try, and I gotta be honest with you, I have not even tried that because I was a little bit afraid. But now, you guys, they sell eyelash curlers that are designed to heat on their own, and they have safety precautions built into them so that they don't get too hot and burn the skin or the eye. So naturally, I chose that option, a little safer. This is the little eyelash curler that I have picked up. I got this one off of a website called Hollar. A lot of you guys are familiar with Hollar, and whenever I saw that they had an eyelash curler, I wanted to jump on it because it was relatively inexpensive. I think I paid somewhere right around $4 for mine. Now, these usually go for like $13 to $18, even on places like Amazon. So when I saw it at such an inexpensive price, I thought, hey, why not? We'll give it a try. You can see the design here. It is a very sleek, very form-fitting to the hand, very comfortable to hold, and it runs on 2 AA batteries. So let's see what it's gonna do, shall we? Here are my eyelashes before putting the curler on there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my right eyelash with this heated eyelash curler, and then I'm going to do the left eyelash with just the regular curler that I use all the time, and it's one that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and it works really well, just not as well for my eyelashes as I would like for it to because they are so stubborn. So here we go with the heated curler on this eyelash, and I held it there for probably 5 to 7 seconds, about what I normally would. I'm not sure if you can see the little rim on that or not, but you can see right there that it is clear, and you will notice that when I showed you this device from the beginning, it was brown. So that's how you're going to know that it's heated up, and it really only took about 10 to 15 seconds. And look here, it did a pretty good job. I have to say it did a pretty good job, but because I didn't have mascara on, well, just a little bit of residual that didn't come off in cleaning, I wasn't sure if it really did extremely a lot better than the other one. So let's try the other lash now with that curler. And I held it there for about that same 5 to 7 seconds, giving it the little teeny pulses like we always do. And here's what that one looks like once I got finished with that. You can hardly even tell they were curled. So looking at them both side by side, definitely a dramatic difference. Now, here is what the lashes look like after I got my mascara applied. I did go back and go ahead and heat that left lash with the heated lash curler. Once I got those curled, I put on my mascara. Now, this is just with one coat. I don't even have double coats of the mascara on, and look at the curl. Even as I'm sitting here talking to you guys, like I can feel the top of this lash hitting the top of my skin up there. I never am able to feel that unless I have falsies on. So I am amazed. I gotta tell you, I really am amazed. I am pleasantly surprised at how well this little gadget worked. Now, I do have to say, look there, you can already see that it has turned back that brown orangey color because it's already completely cooled off. I like that feature. I like that it shows you clearly like that whenever it's ready to use and then whenever it's cooled back down. I did notice whenever I had this up against the eye that I got a little too close to the lid on one little squeeze there, and I could feel the warmth from this curler. It wasn't so hot that it felt like a burn, but it was hot enough that I could tell it was hot. Kind of maybe slightly some discomfort there, if that makes sense to you. Not hot enough. I don't think it would burn you maybe unless you really held it there a really long time. But if you get it too close to that skin, you are going to feel the heat from this little device. So that is something to be aware of. But the design is so comfortable, so easy to use. It got on those lashes really well. I was able to get all the way to the base of those lashes, and the curl is amazing. Like I said, even talking to you now, even just with one coat of mascara, I can feel that lash touching that skin up there, and I never feel that, you guys. So I am ecstatic. I am so very happy with this little gadget. I tell you, I really am. It is still available on Hollar right now for $4 something. It may even be like $4.99. I'm not really sure. It's under $5. I do know that. It's under $5, and it's way cheaper than anywhere else that I've seen these little heated devices, and I definitely think that it is worth the purchase. At least it is for me. Love it. So I'm going to have a link for you down below where you can take a look at this. I'm going to put my link to the Hollar site on there. It is a referral link. If you happen to sign up and you use that link, you're going to save some money on your first order, and you're going to earn me a little bit of a credit as well. So it's a win-win for both of us. You get a credit and I get a credit. If you click to Hollar without a referral link, you're not going to have a coupon code to save you any money. So it definitely is a win for the both of us. And on your very first order, you're going to get free shipping. I don't believe there's a minimum for that. I think on your first order, you just get free shipping. Might be $10 minimum. Just check into that to double check, because they're kind of always changing things over there at Hollar. Never really quite know from time to time, but I definitely want to encourage you to hop over there and take a look. If you have stubborn lashes like me, and if you've been looking for an eyelash curler, I am definitely very pleasantly surprised. Because with these stubborn lashes right here, I was skeptical if anything would ever help them. But yeah, I love it. So I just wanted to bring that to you just in case that you're in the same situation as I am and you've been looking at those. I don't think that there's probably any need to pay $18 for an expensive one. I've never used one, you know, maybe it is a little bit better, but this one does the trick for just around $5. So wanted to let you guys know about that. All right, want to thank you so very much for watching today, and I want to remind you, you were created for purpose, so get out there and be all you can be. I'll see you soon in the next video.